how to redeem Robux gift card. So first, just open up roblox.com. Once that's loaded up, you just need to go to the gift card section on the left side of your screen right here, just above the Get Premium. Go to gift cards. Once you're there, you can go to shop gift cards if you don't have any yet. So if you go right here, you could either pick for a friend or for yourself. Then tap on pick a gift card, and you could pick either a digital card or a physical card right here. Once you're done and you have your gift card, you can go back right here. Then tap on redeem card at the top right side. Then you could input your code here on the blank line or blank space. And if you have a physical gift card, the code will be seen on the back of your card, but if you have a digital card, the code will be sent through your email. And just input the code that you have here on the code section, then tap on the checkbox, then simply tap on the redeem button right there, and you will automatically get your Robux. And that's how you basically redeem your Robux gift card.